time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Maricopa, or 17 miles southwest of some lakes, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.